This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy potato sabji. Start by peeling and dicing potatoes into even cubes, then heat oil and temper mustard and cumin to release aroma. Sauté finely chopped onions until golden brown, add ginger and garlic paste, then stir in pureed tomatoes and spices to build a fragrant gravy base before adding potatoes to simmer. Layer flavors by frying spices in oil and toasting them briefly before adding wet ingredients, which deepens the overall taste. Add potatoes and enough water or stock to cover, then simmer gently so cubes absorb the gravy without falling apart. Stir occasionally and adjust salt and spice levels, finishing with a splash of lemon or a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors for a homely, comforting sabji. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking videos. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you cook, and the Owala water bottle is perfect for long simmer sessions and sticky hands, plus it seals tight so it won't spill near the stove. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick one up if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Finish the sabji with chopped cilantro and a final seasoning check, tasting for salt, tang, and heat balance to make every bite satisfying. Serve the gravy potato sabji hot alongside rotis, parathas, or steamed rice, and offer pickles or yogurt on the side for contrast. When storing, cool quickly, refrigerate in an airtight container, and reheat gently to maintain texture and flavor for later meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.